Oh no, Andrew, not you standing in front of the Kia with the bonnet open again. Yes, I'm sorry, and this is going to be the final 12 volt video. Well, hopefully the final 12 volt video. The good news is I took the car into Kia and they've replaced the 12 volt battery. So I've now got a brand new one. I'll compare on the screen to the old one, but interestingly this seems actually a worse battery than the previous one. Well, in terms of the capacity anyway. So this one is 44 amp hour, the previous was 45. This is 360 amps, the previous was 410 amps. Interestingly, this is a Kia battery. The previous was one by Rocket. This one just says Kia on it, Kia spare parts. It also says it's got a 3-year warranty. It says calcium flooded on it, and to be honest I don't know what the chemistry was of the previous one. Perhaps the same, I'm not sure. But at least it's a new 12 volt battery. They didn't say anything. I asked them what was wrong with the previous one. They didn't really say. They just said, well, we've replaced the 12 volt. A lot of people watching my other videos were kind of shouting at the screen saying, Andrew, your 12 volt is dead. And it was kind of clear that it was, a cell had gone in it or whatever, because these 12 volts don't like being discharged, and it had been discharged so many times, my previous one. A lot of people in the previous videos were saying on the comments, well, you've got something plugged into your OBD2 port, and I didn't, or I haven't in fact, not for a long time. But when it originally died, it did have OVMS plugged in, and that was on the OBD port. But since then I hadn't had anything plugged in. But it feels like once it dies once, and maybe you lose a cell or something on the battery, then it's a slippery slope and it just gets worse and worse. On top of that though, I still think that it deals with the 12 volt battery badly. I still think that the e-Niro is not good enough at topping up the 12 volt. It has this auxiliary battery saver plus, which is supposed to kick in when the voltage dies, but as I said in a previous video, it doesn't actually look at the voltage, it just does it on a daily timer. Interestingly, Hyundai's Kona, they had an update in June 2020, and that increased the frequency of the battery saver on the Kona. So since then people have been having it do the battery saver about 4 or 5 times a day. So I don't know why Kia haven't done the same, because it's clearly the same problem. Thank you very much for all the comments I've had on the previous videos. A lot of people are having the same problem as me, and so I don't think it's an isolated incident. I do think Kia need to sort it out. But for the moment, I've got to say that they were, they swapped this over without any hassle at all. They didn't give me any problems. Fantastic service from them, and they cleaned the car as well, which was badly needed, let me tell you. So, that's great. But I still think they need to do something better. It still needs a better battery. A lot of people are saying you need an AGM battery, which is absorbed glass mat battery. Or deep cycle or whatever, and by the looks of it this is just another crap one. But anyway, I'm happy it's solved, and hopefully I will carry on checking the battery, because they have reinstalled my battery monitor, so that's good. I'll keep on checking it. For the moment it looks pretty much as it did before, because even when the battery was bad, actually battery monitor made it look like it was okay, and it was just when I would use the car for anything then it would drop badly, which is again is kind of proof that there was something wrong with the battery and it's like a bad cell or whatever. But I'll keep logging it, and I won't do another update unless something really bad happens with this. This car goes back in April, so I'm hoping that this will be fine until then. If not, I'll do another video, so let's all pray that it's absolutely fine. Alright, ultra quick video this one, but thank you very much for watching. Please press subscribe and bell icon for more interesting videos, and you may care or not, I don't know, but this will be the last video of this house, because we're moving house and we're going a bit into the country, so you won't hear quite so many engine noises. Possibly more bird noises, but that's a bit nicer. I'm stressed and I need to pack, so I'm not really looking forward to it that much, but when I do move I have to get a charger, and we have solar panels. There's a whole lot of fun stuff that I'll talk about on future videos. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.